Hello and welcome to my Quad Lock initial impressions unboxing video. I bought this to use on my new Duke 390. I've got the Moto Mount Kit for iPhone 12 Pro. That includes the case and the motorcycle handlebar mount. Bought the vibration dampener and the weatherproof wireless charger. Quad Lock are an Australian company, I believe. They make running, motorcycle, bicycle and desk mounts. I've paid for these with my own money, not sent to me for free, so this is just my initial thoughts and opinions. So I paid around about £140 for all these. The Moto Mount Kit, which includes the case for the iPhone 12 Pro and the handlebar mount itself, that was £62.90. The vibration dampener, this was £15.95. And then the weatherproof wireless charger, quite pricey at £69.95. So if we start with the iPhone 12 Pro case, box is quite light. That's probably what you expect really, it's an iPhone case. Let's open that up and have a look. Comes with a little warranty information card. Don't really need that. Oh, so the inside's kind of got that nice classic iPhone suede feel. You can see here, this is where the Quad Lock interacts with the mount. Pretty solid, doesn't really flex too much, got a slightly soft rubberized feel. Surprisingly nice actually, a bit of Quad Lock branding on the edge, don't know if you can just see that there. Yeah, feels pretty solid, quite nice, it should protect the phone. So that's that. And this is the handlebar mount, slightly sturdier case. You can see there some of the options that Quad Lock do. Let's this one to this. I've definitely got that the wrong way up, roughly. So what we have here, Allen key, very useful, don't need any tools. We've got little rubber mountings here, don't know if you can just see inside there, it says 28mm and 22mm for your getting it on the different handlebars, and the stock option already on there looks like a 25mm. Let's have a look at this. Quite light, it's got a little remove before use, that's just keeping the bolt in place. That's how it interacts and locks in place. It all looks quite nice, might have a quick go actually. I haven't used one of these before, so bear with. Maybe you've got to push that down. Ah yes, if you push it down, it gets a bit of elevation on it. To be fair, so it's not locked on properly. Simple twist, yeah, go back to that. So what have we got here? Okay, so that's good. So that will all just pop on there. You have little grooves around the edge so you can lock it in the position that you want. Feels quite sturdy actually. It's plastic, but it's very solid, very strong. Okay. Got some Quad Lock stickers in there, usual stash I suppose, and some instructions. Let's have a quick look at those. Mounting your phone, that's where I was getting wrong, should have had it at a 45-degree angle. Usual warranty information. Pretty simple setup, just an Allen key, it's all included. Can't really complain there. Right, what have we got here? This is the vibration dampener. Now, this is designed to absorb some of the vibrations which can damage image stabilization on the new smartphones. Haven't used it without, haven't had a Quad Lock before. However, for 15 quid, thought I'd rather not risk it with my £1,000 iPhone. Kind of, my thoughts are why isn't this integrated into the normal mount, but who knows, extra money I guess. Looks like you get another Allen key included. Again, it's got that sort of adjustment for you, integrates nicely onto the different mounts. Looks quite solid actually. Yeah, so one of my concerns was that everything looked a bit plasticky, but actually incredibly solid, so not going to complain there. And lastly, onto the weatherproof wireless charger. This is just convenience really when you're out on the bike, if you're using it for sat nav, keep the phone topped up don't really want to have too many cables flapping about. Let's have a look at this. Quite heavy, doesn't want to come out. There we go. No. There we go. So again, another instruction booklet. Have a quick look through that. What have we got there? Just shows how you install it with the different parts. It's got a USB-C to USB-A connection. Cable looks like it's included. That's quite surprising. Didn't know that. Yeah, it just kind of gives you some instructions. So what have we got here? So there's the cable. That's your standard USB to USB-C. Looks like there's a second one as well. That's very nice. 2 different lengths. So depending on where your USB socket on the bike is, that's pretty good. Got a few cable ties. Again, another Allen key, and there's the bolt to secure it. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's good that you get everything. You know, you've got your cable ties, you've got your Allen key. Straight out of the box, you can pop it on. So it's got a medium amount of weight to this wireless charger. That's where the USB-C would pop on underneath. It's quite nice actually. Again, really sturdy. Initial impressions of the Quad Lock stuff seems to be nice quality. It's all plastic. So my setup will basically be wireless charger on top, vibration dampener pops on underneath that, and then this will go onto the handlebar on the bike. Yeah, it all seems very nice. So, just again to give you a summary, Moto Mount Kit, that was £62.90 for the case and the mount itself. Vibration dampener was £15.95, and then the Weatherproof wireless charger, that came in at £69.95. So, I've got a 10% discount link for Quad Lock. I'll drop that in the description if anyone wants to order one of their own. Please comment if any of you have got one, how you've got on with the Quad Lock. I'm interested to hear your thoughts and opinions. Also, if there's any other products you recommend, hit me up. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content. I'll do some videos showing installation and another review when I've had a bit of time with it on the bike. Thanks for watching.